Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is currently 8:15 and I'm getting ready to go and get my hair done. I'm doing a weave leave out. This is the pack I'm doing. It's Brazilian. So I'm doing a weave leave out with the pack that I just showed you before, and I am quite excited. My appointment is at 9, so I'm still kind of on time. Preparing my tea with milk. Sorry for the angle, but I'm also a little bit, I'm excited, but I'm also a little bit scared. And by the way, I'm getting my hair done because I've got my graduation ceremony soon. So I had to take out the braids, unfortunately. I am a little bit scared because I'm probably the kind of customer hairdressers hate because I'm quite picky with what I want, and if it's not how I want it, I'm not happy. The reasons why I prefer to get my braids done myself is because they never understand what I want. By the way, I'm eating Nigerian bread with butter. They never understand what I want. When I say I want my hair, I want my braids not full, they make it so full, and I hate full braids. Full braids are ugly. Like, it doesn't shape your face, in my opinion, so I hate it. Even when I say I want, it's either I do the braids too full or empty. So I really hope I like this hair. So when it comes to braids, if I don't like the braids in question, I can always kind of edit it, maybe remove a couple of braids and put 2 braids as one if it's too full, if that makes sense. But when it comes to weave leave out, if I don't like it, there's nothing I can do. And my graduation is 2 days away, so I really hope I like it. I should like it, to be honest, because I think my only fear is that it will be too bulky or my hair will not blend, which, if that's the case, it's not really an issue because I can just straighten the hair myself, and I will straighten myself anyway when I'm home. I don't know, we'll see. And I'm also excited today because I'm finally getting my phone. Finally moving to Apple. I've only used Android my whole life, so yeah, I decided to kind of not try Apple. So I bought the iPhone 13 Pro Max actually 3 weeks ago. Apparently they don't have stock, so I had to wait this long, but it's finally coming today. My sister also bought the iPhone 13 Pro Max in in graphite, and I bought the one in silver, which looks more like white. And my other sister got the iPhone 11 in purple. Yeah, actually so excited, and I hope I can use it because I've never used an Apple product before. But I thought it's time to change, That's very exciting. And also the quality of my videos won't change, obviously. So that's it. So I'm just going to get this drink done. It's actually so windy outside. I thought I was going by myself with the bus, but my mom is dropping me, so that's good. I will drink my tea and bread, and I'll catch you up after. So I'm now all prepped, and it's time to go. It's currently 8:45. So yeah, see you. Hi guys, so I'm now in the car. My mom is dropping me. It's currently 8:51. You want to get there? Bye. It's actually quite windy outside. Hey guys, so I've arrived at the salon. 9:02, but it's still closed. I sent a text to the hairdresser to let her know I'm here, but she hasn't replied yet, so I'm still waiting in the car. Hi guys, so it's me again. It's 9:26 and she's still not here. I'm thinking of going somewhere else, like if I can find another hair salon, maybe around my area. I'm so upset, but no, it's not funny. Actually, it's not funny. So throughout the day, I set up the phone, I put Face ID, downloaded all my apps, transferred my contacts, and also logged in into WhatsApp and got all my apps, but I haven't logged in all of them except WhatsApp and Gmail. So that's something I still have to do. I still also need to transfer my messages and yeah, songs as well. I will not be transferring my pictures because I will just leave them on my old phone to save data. This is my old phone, just took a picture of it. And I'm just eating grapes now. I still have kind of a lot of things to do still to set up my phone. Sorry, my voice is so crackly. The cold of yesterday was too much, but I'm showing you my hair. And yeah, the iPhone is quite different from the Android, to be honest. Even WhatsApp looks completely different, so it will take a bit of you getting used to it. Even not having a port for my earphones, that's something I need to get used to. But I'm very excited to change phone, and hopefully I get quite used to it quite soon. And the battery is impressive, honestly. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think. And I guess I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Hello, I am new here. This is my new iPhone.